we're working on a boat and it's having some shifting problems, and it would catch reverse but not forward, or forward and not reverse, and it was acting exactly like it was a shift cable problem. And so they said, we're going to pull the shift cable out and see what's going on. So here's the cable we're about ready to put in. And if you look, this is just how we pulled it out. That piece is broken off of there, and that's because whoever put it in probably didn't have the deep well to tighten it up. And when they were putting it in, you could see they twisted it, and that's because they probably had the other end bound up and kept on tightening it down. But this is supposed to be a brand new cable, or at least that's what the customer was told by the person who installed it. This is a boot that came off of it. I'm not going to make any judgment call, but that doesn't look new. But the funniest thing about this whole cable is, if you want to pick it up, I've never seen a intershift cable like that. It stands up on its own. So